Hi, I'm Jason from Yamaha and I'm here at Music Matter in Preston to give you a quick fire through what DTX sets they currently have in stock. This is our entry-level DTX 400 series, which is available in 3 configurations. DTX 400, which comes with the soft touch pedals, the DTX 430, which is this model here, which comes with the upgraded bass drum pedal and pad and hi-hat pedal as well, and the DTX 450, which comes with a 3-zone snare pad. Each of the configurations come with the DTX 400 module, which includes 169 different drum sounds, 10 preset drum sets, which are overrideable, 10 songs, and learner functions as well. The DTX 400 range comes with a companion app called DTX 400 Touch, which is available free of charge on iOS and on Android for your smartphone, so you can control the module using an interface. This is our DTX 502 series mid-range set, and this is available in 3 configurations, a DTX 522, 532 and 582 as well. They all come with the DTX 502 module, which has 691 different built-in sounds. It has 50 preset kits and 50 user kits as well as play-along songs. It has training functions and a full click track in there as well. You've got options to put up to 20 12-second samples in there of your own, and you've got an additional 4 inputs for extra pads as well. Just like the 400 series, there is a touch app available for Apple on this one, and that's available from the App Store, and it's called DTX 502 Touch. In there you can use all the functions in the module, but with an interface like your iPad or your iPhone. This kit here is the DTX 532. All the range come with the 8-inch silicone pad, and this one comes with full rubber tom pads, 13-inch hats, crash and ride. The 522 comes with a fixed hi-hat, and the 582 comes with a full silicone bass drum and tom pads as well. This is our DTX 700 series range, which is available in 2 configurations. This is the DTX 720, which comes with full silicone 7-inch tom pads, 8-inch 3-zone snare pad, and the real feel bass drum. Also available in the 760 range, which comes with 12-inch 3-zone snare and floor tom pads and 10-inch rack tom pads, as well as an additional 15-inch ride cymbal as well. Both configurations come with the DTX 700 series module. This has 50 preset kits and 10 user kits, with a total of 1,396 different drum sounds on there. There are 12 inputs on there for additional pads, and you also have full app service as well on your iPad using the DTX 700 series app. Built into the module there are multi-effects, and as well you have layer control on every playing surface, which allows you to have up to 4 sounds per playing surface on every kit. All DTX 700 series sets come with a free downloadable version of Cubase AI included with your purchase. Come and try the DTX 700 series in store.